Figmap is an AI-powered mind map generator that provides roadmaps for learning and discovery for any topic. We're going to dive right into this here. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So we're going to dive right into Figmap here, and I'm going to say we are curious about AI influencers, or more specifically, creating and maintaining AI influencers. I know this is a popular topic at the moment, so I'm going to click map it and see what we get. Okay, cool. So it took a few seconds to map. And as you can see here, we've got this mind map in the center and we've got a LLM here on the right, which allows us to query the mind map itself. Just gonna dive right into this here and see what we get here. So we've got model development, natural language processing, computer vision. Okay, cool. So this is essentially how these AI influencers are made. I was thinking about this from a less technical point of view. I was thinking about this topic from a less technical point of view. My aim is to create an AI influencer that can promote products and services on behalf of my business or for, let's say, user-generated content. We'll send that off. Okay, cool. So now it's giving me a few more ideas. Okay, cool. And let me see if there's anything I can actually do here. Okay, so whenever I click on an aspect on the mind map, I can actually dive a bit deeper into it. So let's say user behavior analysis. Okay, cool. So we've got a few articles here as well. The use of AI influencers also allows for more precise measurement of campaign effectiveness. Okay, cool. And I've got access to these articles right here. So yeah, this seems like a pretty robust platform. I definitely recommend giving it a go if there's something you really want to learn about. And let's say it's quite a broad topic and you want to be able to look at it from a bird's eye view, but also, get into like the smaller and more specific aspects of the wider topic. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.